Buyback distribution tax. What are the amendments relating to this in Budget 2016? Now, buyback distribution tax is something which is dealt with in section 115 QA. In this case, what happened is that an Indian company may do a buyback from its shareholders for shares, right? Under the existing provision of the section 115 QA, it applies only where the buyback is carried out as per section 77A of the Companies Act. Now, people interpreted this narrowly and said that if the buyback is not carried out as per section 77A, then it is not covered under 115 QA, and therefore no buyback distribution tax should be applied to it, right? This could be a situation where you are doing a buyback under a court approval route, right? A buyback may be under Companies Act 2013 or other buybacks which could be there. In order to calculate the amount which is taxable, what used to be considered was the buyback price minus the amount which was received by the company on issue of such shares. Now, there was again a debate that when you issue the shares, right, at the issue price, what in case you are not issuing it for cash, but you are issuing it under a corporate reorganization, something like a merger or a demerger. In order to cover these cases and provide clarity here, there's an amendment which is proposed to section 115 QA, whereby buyback under any law for the time being in force is going to be covered under section 115 QA, right? And second, the amount received by the company, which has to be reduced from this buyback price, there are detailed rules which are going to be prescribed, framed, in order to arrive at this amount.